So hey everyone, let's take a quick update at what's happening with Shiba Inu. And right now we're seeing the same pricing as we saw before about 2 years ago. So a lot of people are seriously afraid about SHIB and what the future price predictions will do, especially since it's been slowly falling off its charts. Even the last year alone, it went 37% down. And 1 month ago, it went down actually 10%. So definitely not good, and last week it went down 8%, and last day it went down 4%. So if we compare this to Pepe's chart, let's take a look here, one of the biggest ones. It's also not at its peak, but compared to where it was before, it's actually double up. While SHIB is not performing that great, I would also say it's an indicator of the broad market here. And personally, I'm not too sure what's going to happen here, but Shiba Inu has been on a downtrend mostly because the updates, we're still waiting on those. So Shiba Inu lead dev Kusuma on SHIB price, those who bark the loudest aren't the ones working. So a lot of people are complaining about the price, but I do feel like SHIB does have some potential. But right now there's so many factors happening with SHIB that a lot of people are really worried, and they're worried about what exactly is going on. It saw some network activity, but we really don't have any clear indicators. I would also say when you look at this, whole crypto market is down. So of course SHIB is going to be like 40% down. This is when we saw the Shiba swap uptick. So not the Shiba swap, but actually the own chains they had, the own polygons, and they went to a different chain. Well, this went down by 50%. Actually like 37%, but still quite a bit, and it's a bit worrying after this crash. I think a lot of whales sold out during 2022. Maybe they reinvested in something else, but definitely something that I was worried about. And here is when I was still talking about Shiba Inu a lot. So this way Shiba Inu did perform, not bad, not too well. Now we're at the same prices. Obviously, we're still up, like 2021 bear market levels, which isn't that bad, but it's also not perfect. But we're nowhere near a peak. Like, we're 90% down, over 90% actually, probably like 92% down over the all-time highs. Like, we lost the zero in a bad way. We didn't gain it. We actually lost it. And it just makes a lot of people worried. But there's still a loyal fan base for SHIB. There's still supporters. Yes, we're seeing a drop. There's still 63 million volume. 80 million, actually, probably. If we look at here, there's 80 million. It used to be 500 million at its peak. But look at this. I don't think we're going to be reaching the all-time high anytime soon. It's like 8 billion. That's crazy. That's a crazy amount. And that happened in 2021. So it's almost like 2 years since that happened. A lot has been undergoing that way. But what do you guys think about the price? Shiba Inu has been crashing, but it doesn't mean that the future will crash as well. I think Shiba Inu needs that little boost we've been all waiting for, because I don't think it's over. I just think Shiba Inu doesn't have those market favors. A lot of people left crypto. A lot of people don't care about crypto anymore, or they focused on other things. And obviously people aren't happy. So let me know what you guys think and keep you guys posted. The last 30 days, it saw a 10% down. If we compare this to Ethereum or Bitcoin is up 6% even, but it's not the worst performer. The worst performer is Pepe, ApeCoin, Stellar, like Gala. It hasn't been doing, gaming sector hasn't been doing, like video games haven't been doing that great, but it's not that good performing either. If we compare this to Dogecoin, it did improve a bit, but it's at 5 cents, and the Dogecoin millionaire is no longer a millionaire. So all these meme coin markets, they're just sleeping right now. The pets are sleeping. But I don't know for how long. Smash that like button.